everybody.
Oh, Minky.
Hello, everybody. My name is Mindy. I am about yes or no.
Yes, like a start.
Is there nature in cities?
Is that nature in city?
Yes,
Lots of
lots of it. In gardens, in every species, on roadsides, in rivers and ponds.
a lot of nature. Tree is nature.
Birds, taxi, bus,
But it's city. Yeah, so it's okay.
canopy, and butterfly.
Can I feed a butterfly? Yes or no?
Yes, butterfly. Well, sweet fruit, hunting from tree grows from flowers to the butterfly tend to the sweet
Nectar.
nectar. The butterfly eat orange juice.
So Minky here? Minky, can you hear?
Can tell us the weather.
About the weather. Can cloud tell us about the weather? Yes or no? Minky, can cloud tell us about the weather? Yes or no? Answer first. Minky, answer first the question. Can
Yes.
cloud tell us about the weather?
Yes,
Yes.
their times different. Different time.
In the sky as different. Minky,
Times. Round up
gives a
cloud.
clues about what weather to pass.
Trumpets.
Clouds are tall. Cumulonimbus.
Two minutes.
This cloud is too tall. Tall. Cumulonimbus is tall.
Cumulonimbus.
How about this one? This one is
Surface. Right. So now. Surface.
how about this one?
Trumpets.
Cirrus.
The storm thought becoming.
Oh, a stormy cloud. And this one, how about this one?
To whisper.
Get
ready for rain.
Get ready for rain. Taurus. How about this clouds? Cumulus. How about this one? No?
No weather change for its field.
It painted.
Pretty.
How about this one? Cumulus.
The suit say sunny.
This one cumulus. Stormy. And this one? Starters.
People for breeze.
For dreams. Wow. So scary. Prepare for a deep breeze.
The moon as big the sun.
Is the moon as big as the sun? Yes or no? Can you guess?
No.
No way. Is the moon as big as the sun?
No way. there was smaller light of moon so much further this
To
earth.
us. Oh, it
Sun,
look.
sun, earth, moon.
Yeah, sun, earth, moon.
It is a ball.
No, it look like dot. The sun big like a ball, the earth smaller, and the moon smallest. If the sun were big ball, earth would be the size of
The sun, a beach.
a big ball, so earth is the size of
Sun, earth, moon, earth.
a pea, and the moon would be as small as a grain of.
Sun, earth, moon.
Minky, look at here. The sun like baseball, earth like pea, and the last one, moon like grain of.
Sun, earth, moon.
Sunlight. The star. Minky, read the sentence.
Do
Do
you know which prince they sit on from?
which is
A sunflower,
which it is
a turtle nut tree,
a coconut? How about this one?
a dandelion,
And the last one,
an oak tree.
oak tree. Good job. So how about this
The
one?
prince drove for sticks.
Yes or no? Does plant go from trees? Yes or no?
No, some prince drove their own baby prince, baby the spider prince.
Baby spiders plant. Cây nhện.
They don't in.
Mm.
Then grow a pineapple. Pineapple.
Pineapple plant by
Planted the top of a pineapple.
the top of the pineapple here is called the top. Tweet the
Top of and pull up the flower
leaf.
leaf. When in water and see roots grow.
Good job.